Okay, hi, I'm Lydia, and you're probably wondering why I just posted a random video of dogs howling. Now, there's actually a story behind that. See, there's 3 dogs in our household named Devin, Abby, and Precious, and 2 of those are howlers. They howl at everything, and I mean everything. I come in remotely late, they're howling. I bring a friend over, they howl. I say it's okay, they howl. But they actually howl the worst when it storms. Uh, yeah, like, I can't even explain how bad they howl. But what makes it worse is that Precious, the other dog, goes in my room and starts scratching at the trapdoor. Now, you're probably wondering why I have a trapdoor in my room. It's because I have an older house and it's on piers and beams and stuff. But anyway, so when it storms, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, it's thundering and lightning, and I have a dog knocking up my door to go scratch at the trapdoor in my closet, and then I have 2 other dogs that are howling. And so I never get any sleep whenever it comes to time. Hi, Precious. Look there. There's the one. Okay, you can't see her. There's the one that actually does the trapdoor scratching. Yeah. But anyway, so yeah, they howl a lot. And I was just kind of making a joke out of their howling and thought I'd post it on YouTube. But anyway, I guess stay tuned and I'll be sure to post some more videos of our animals and their loudness. Bye!